The land is devastated, and the joy of the people has withered away. Blow the trumpet in Zion. Sound the alarm on my holy mountain. Let all the inhabitants of the land tremble, for the day of the Lord is coming. It is near. Yet even now, declares the Lord, return to me with all your heart with fasting and weeping and mourning. And afterward I will pour out my spirit on all people. Your sons and daughters will prophesy. Your old men will dream dreams. Your young men will see visions. What the cutting locust left, the swarming locust has eaten. What the swarming locust left, the hopping locust has eaten. And what the hopping locust left, the destroying locust has eaten. I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten. You shall eat in plenty and be satisfied, and praise the name of the Lord your God who has dealt wondrously with you. The day of the Lord is near in the valley of decision. Multitudes, multitudes in the valley of decision, for the day of the Lord is near. In that day, the mountains shall drip sweet wine, and the hills shall flow with milk, and all the stream beds of Judah shall flow with water. The Lord will be a refuge to his people, and you shall know that I am the Lord your God, who dwells in Zion, my holy mountain. And it shall come to pass that everyone who calls on the name of the Lord shall be saved.
Share our campaign with your network. Engage with our content on YouTube and social media. By being partakers, you're not just supporting a business, you're investing in a movement that will empower small businesses with AI-driven tools, strengthen charities with smarter fundraising strategies, create a sustainable economic ecosystem for faith communities and beyond. Be part of something revolutionary. Join the Partakers movement today.